Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and making it discoverable. This allows the car to find the device right away. Once done, turn the car to ACC or on so the head unit is active. Open the infotainment system's Bluetooth or phone menu and select the option to add or pair a device. Make sure your phone is nearby and unlocked, because many systems block pairing when the phone is asleep or locked, and that avoids delays. You now select the car's Bluetooth name from your phone's list. Typically, the name matches the radio model or simply says Car Multimedia. When prompted, compare the PIN shown on both screens and tap Confirm on each device. This secures the connection. After pairing, accept requests for contacts and media access so calls and audio work correctly. If the radio asks to prioritize phone audio or phone book, choose both. Make sure to wait for the confirmation tone or icon before testing playback. Finish by playing music or making a brief test call so you verify that audio routes through the car speakers and the microphone works. If it doesn't connect, toggle Bluetooth off and on your phone, then try reconnecting. Sometimes rebooting the infotainment system or phone clears the issue. If the radio has a pairing limit, remove older devices from its list. If problems persist, check permissions on your phone and consult the car manual for firmware-specific pairing quirks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.